So, hello everyone. Now we are going to do this question, which is the magnetic potential energy stored in a certain inductor is 25 joule or microjoules uh, when the current in the inductor is 60 milliampere. This inductor is of inductance first 0.13H, second 1.389, third option 138.88, and fourth 13.89 inductance. So let's see what all given in the question. So in the question it was given that the potential energy given stored in an inductor is 25 millijoules and current in the inductor is 60 milliampere, and we have to find out the inductance. Okay, so all this is given in our question. Let's solve it. So the formula for energy stored in an inductor is U is equal to half Ni square. So as U is equal to 25 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to half into L we have to find out, and I is given as 60 milliampere, so we have converted into the ampere. Okay, so after this we have it's basically the magnetic field, it's current, and this we have to find out inductor inductance. Okay, so L is equal to 25 into 2. With this the value comes out to be the 500 upon with 36, which is 13.89 after calculating this. So the correct answer will be option 4, which is 13.89 H. So thank you everyone.